Morning, my little flowers. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy too. Now, today we learn our next alphabet, letter O. We next letter O. Okay. Firstly, tell me what is the date today? Today is 22nd of July 2020. And what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. And which subjects? English. Which subject? English. Now we learn the letter O. We learn the letter O. O. Orange. What is the phonetic sound of O? O. What is the phonetic sound of O? Sound O. O. Orange. O. Onion. O. Ox. O. Ostrich. O. Oven. Yes. O. Orange. What is the phonetic sound of O? O. Now we learn how to write the letter O. Look at here. I make the pattern of your English notebook here on the page. Now we start the letter O. Look at here. Here is two blue lines, 1 and 2. We write the letter of O in between these two blue lines. Okay. Look at here. We done only a small circle in this between two blue lines. In between two blue lines, here is a circle. This is the letter O. Look at here once again. Start from here and complete it. Letter O. Here is letter O. Just make a small circle in between two blue lines. This is letter O. Now we learn the letter O on this small blackboard. Here we go. A small circle O. We make the picture of orange. O. Orange. Here is a orange. We write the spelling of orange. O. Orange. Now look at here. Which letter is this? O. Orange. Yes. Do this activity. Write the letter on the sand. Here is a sand. Now write the letter O. Start and finish it. Letter O. Look at here. Letter O. Look at here. This is the letter O. Just small circle. This is the letter O. Now we done the next activity with our balls. Make a small circle with our balls. Okay? Yes, very nice. Make a small circle with your balls or buttons or anything you want. Okay? Stones भी use कर सकते हैं आप. Make a small circle like this. This is the letter O. This is the letter O. Here is letter O. Yes, very nice. What is the phonetic sound of O? O. What is the phonetic sound of O? O. Now you have books. We learned how to write letter O in the book. Look at here. Just a small circle in between two blue lines. This is letter O. Once again, blue lines में आपने क्या लिखना है? Just make a small circle. This is letter O. Write the letter O. Now do it in your notebook or book, page number 52 and 53, and write this letter in your notebook also, and do this small activity on the sand and with the balls and send it to me. Okay then, bye to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.